we can put this round shape food into the dough, okay? Into the
Hi, my name is Riccardo Sisti. I am 17 years old and I'm from Italy. Today we have made the typical Shandong bread, a specialty from this region. And this bread have a lot of meaning based on the type of the bread and the form of it. Huamo not only looks good, but also have a rich and vast taste when eaten. And it's made during the Chinese New Year celebration. While learning how to make this bread, we understand Chinese custom and tradition and satisfied with the human